Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos like Burger King. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef, ensuring it's finely crumbled. Drain any excess fat to keep the tacos light. Season the beef with a mild taco seasoning blend, stirring well to distribute the flavor evenly. This creates the signature savory base for your delicious tacos, just like you remember them. Next, prepare your taco shells. Use crispy corn shells, warming them slightly in an oven or microwave for a few seconds to enhance their texture. Carefully spoon about 2 tablespoons of the seasoned ground beef into each shell. Then, add a generous portion of finely shredded iceberg lettuce, which provides that essential crisp and cool contrast. The sauce is key to replicating that classic Burger King taco taste. Create a simple, mild sauce by combining 3 parts mayonnaise with 1 part ketchup and a small dash of your favorite mild hot sauce. Whisk these ingredients together until completely smooth and creamy. This distinctive sauce adds a tangy, slightly sweet, and savory finish to each taco. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your delicious tacos. Drizzle a generous amount of your homemade signature sauce over the shredded lettuce in each taco shell. Serve these immediately to ensure the shells remain perfectly crispy and the ingredients are fresh. Now you can enjoy your very own Burger King-style tacos, made right in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.